The first thing you're going to do is take some cardboard or foam board and cut it in a half circle. And then you're going to take your macrame yarn and you're going to make sure it's the same length. Make it as long as you would like the ghost to be, but you're going to basically just hot glue the first string of yarn in the middle of your half circle. And then you're just going to super glue the ends until it's secure on the foam board or cardboard. Once you've done the first piece, now you can just continue to wrap the macrame yarn around the continual pieces and just make sure it's the same length and cut as you go. But you're going to keep going until you reach the top of the cardboard or foam board. And then I just took an X-Acto knife and cut off any excess cardboard that I had on the sides. And then Walmart sells these black fabric scraps for like $1, and I just bought one and used a chalk marker to draw the ghost face. And then I just cut it out and put it on top of the macrame yarn. I just used hot glue, but really I think any kind of glue would work for this part of it. Once you've glued the face on, then you want to unravel the macrame yarn, starting from the bottom and going till you reach the cardboard or foam board. And then once you've unraveled all the macrame yarn, I use these sawtooth hangers to glue onto the back of the cardboard to hang it up on the wall. If you like this video, please like and subscribe and drop any comments below of other Halloween decor you'd like me to try.